Okay, let's go ahead and just finish up this conditional relative frequency. So I started to tell you when the video ended that we're now going to figure out the conditional relative frequency for just burgers, and then for just chicken, and for pizza, for salad. So I said that there were six total burgers. So now we're going to figure out 6 out of 6 is going to be our 100%, and we're going to figure out what 3 out of 6 for the 9th grade and 3 out of 6 for the 10th grade. And then we would do chicken, also has a total of 6. So chicken would be 1 out of 6 and 5 out of 6 for the 10th grade. And then pizza is a total of 2, so 0 out of 2 and 2 out of 2. The total would be 2 out of 2. And then for salad, there's a total of 6, 4, and 2 is 6. So this would be 6 out of 6. And we've got 4 out of 6 for pizza, or sorry, for salad for 9th grade, and 2 out of 6 for 10th grade. And then we just figure out those percentages, okay? So some of them are pretty easy. 3 out of 6 is 50%. So 50% of the students who chose burgers were 9th grade, and 50% of the students who chose burgers were 10th grade, right? And then 1 out of 6 is, again, that 16.5%. So we'll say this is 16.5, or you could have rounded to 17. And then 5 out of 6 is 8.33333, so that's really 83%. So really what we should have done then in this situation is rounded to 17, because we always want it to kind of come up to 100%. Okay? And then this would be 0%, that's easy. And this one's 100%. And then we've got 4 out of 6 and 2 out of 6. So 4/6 is 2/3 and 2/6 is 1/3. So I'm going to say 33.5% and 66 should be 6.5%. Okay? That's conditional. You're not going to probably be asked to know conditional on the quiz, but it might show up on a test, and you need to be able to see the difference. One, just a relative frequency table, is all related to your total number of choices, your total number of meals and students, where conditional looks at a specific category, whether it's all of the 9th graders or all of the burgers. Okay? Last thing, just to quickly make sure that you understand the things that we've talked about. We've talked about a two-way frequency table. That's just filling in the numbers, doing a tally, filling in the numbers. Relative frequency table is finding the percentages of the overall. So each item compared to overall. Conditional relative frequency is finding the percentage from a particular category. That's all I've got. Go ahead and write yourself a key idea here. Whatever you think you need to remember. And don't just say, I need to remember two-way frequency tables. Say what a two-way frequency table is, because when you study, you should be able to look at your key ideas and be able to go, okay, that's what I needed to remember. Okay? I'll see you in class.